Hi guys, in today's video we are going to install subwoofer, amplifier, speakers and sound deadening in VW Tiguan 2018. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now we need to remove the battery. To remove the battery, we need to remove this part. The one I took the screw out from here. As you can see, just remove this small part, and then you can take the battery out from this place. Just slide it to this your side, then take it out. It's very easy. Okay guys, there is a little rubber there from where this main wire is going through the firewall. So I've got a long screwdriver, this one. I put this screwdriver in there and I can see from other side as well. From this side you can see it's here. Here's my screwdriver. This is the one. So as you can see, I push it from other side and it is out from this side. Now we can run the wire through this firewall. We need to remove this unit located in glove box to get access to the speakers and power wires. To remove this unit, we need these two keys and put it in these two holes provided, and you will hear click sound, and then you can take it out. Once you take it out, now we need to remove all the plugs from the back. Now as you can see, I have extension wire for this job. This way it will be easy to install an amplifier and you can connect speaker wires easily without chopping stock wires. In case you need to remove amp in future, then you only need to remove this adapter and your job is done. Okay guys, I've got this adapter which is plug and play for that one. This is a little bit extension which we can use for our speakers. So these are our speaker wires. I'm gonna chop this from middle. Now this is our output, this is our input. So from our output, this needs to be wired with the amp. This one needs to go with this audio converter. So this is our line output converter. So we need to wire all the wires. So rear speakers, front speakers, go to power, then it will give us remote wire. So I'm gonna make the whole adapter and then I'll come back. So okay, I have made my adapter. So this is our extension adapter, this is our main adapter here. So these are the wiring coming from the amplifier. This wiring is for our level converter. So I'm gonna get this all wire pass through this area to the bottom here. passenger side. Then I'm gonna install those converters underneath there. So let's get into work. So I've done this wiring. As you can see, this is our input to the line converter, and this is our output to the speakers. The wiring is here. Here are the converters connected. Now I'm gonna put this unit back in here, so then we can run wiring from these panels. So I put this unit back in here. It was very hard job to put this thing in back into the place, and all our wirings are here. Okay guys, so from here we are running our wires. So we have enough space for this much wiring loom. This is quite big. Yeah, but we got a space here. It's very easy to run. So now I run it to the back. I got it here. I'm gonna run this to the boat here. Then I'll show you how I have done it. As you can see, the wires came through the back seat. We have enough space under the back seat. I'll show you from this side as well. So this is our back seat. As you can see, we have enough space. So to go through the back seat, under the back seat, you need to remove this panel. So if you pry out from here, it will come out. Then there is one clip underneath here and small clip here. If you take this one up, you will be able to remove that clip. Then take this part out, run the wire, and then run it from this side. It will come out from this side. Then you can easily do your job. Now I'm gonna use this tool to put these ferrules into the place with the amplifier. So we got all these wires here. Now how do you know which wire is for which speaker? So this is a speaker tester. So we need to test which speaker wire is this. For example, this one, which speaker is that? So plug that one in here, another one here. Now you can hear the sound. It's coming from rear left, rear right. So this is our rear right wire. So this is a thing that you need to test the speaker's wire, which wire belongs to which speaker. This tool will tell you. Now, so we got all of our wiring here. So we need to cut this board a little bit so we can get our wiring through. And here's our amplifier. I'm gonna place it here. Then I'm gonna use all this wiring here. We have a lot of space under this board, so you can hide your wires. If you have a long wires, you can hide your wires a little bit. That way you don't need to chop any wire. Now I'm gonna make the connections. Once I make the connection, then I'll come back to you. So we're gonna install this dynamite sound deadening here. So first of all, we install in this area. Then I will cover a little bit of this area. So we need to remove this first. Then we can go ahead with installing the sound deadening material here first. So I'm gonna take this out. So as you can see, I took that motor out from there. This is the motor. So this thing hooks up in that hole. So you need to pry it out. Just make sure you don't damage it. And once you take it out, now we have this area. And we can install the sound deadening material here and a little bit of inside the door. So that will make a sound difference. Make sure when you're installing this sound deadening, you need to keep an eye on these holes. These 3, 4, 5, all of these, and these ones. You need to keep an eye on these ones. So everything has been installed. As you can see, I've done the deadening and I've done the speaker spacer, and now I'm going to install the speaker here. So this is my speaker with a tweeter wire, as you can see, and you need to draw a small hole here to get the wires through it. Our first speaker has been mounted. This is positive, negative. This is for the tweeter, and the most important thing is we need to use this tape, which is a cloth tape, to tape this whole thing. Otherwise, when speakers start working, it will start shaking here and there. It will be noisy. So we'll take care of that noise with this cloth tape. So we have completed this door as well. As you can see, all deadening material has been installed. Speaker has been installed. Everything is good. Done all the doors. All speakers have been installed. We are good to test now. So here's our amplifier with some connections here. This is a subwoofer.